Here is the best way to perform a nora sanitary base installation. You should first pre-install the field flooring, making sure you keep the adhesive line 2 inches away from the wall. Use an off-cut of sanitary base to mark where the flooring will need to be trimmed. Next, cut the excess flooring off with a straight edge and utility knife, using your marks to guide you. Then install nora Base Fix 50 to the floor and keep it tight to the flooring. Following this, you then install nora Base Fix 145 to the wall, as shown. Pre-cut the sanitary base to the correct length, then mark the back at the external corners. Then, using a straight edge, cut both the vertical part and mitered foot at 45 degrees. Repeat the process for the second side. Then, remove the wax paper from the floor and press the sanitary base into position, keeping it tight to the flooring. Remove the wax paper from the wall and press into position. For your internal corners, measure and cut off the correct length of sanitary base. Once again, you then cut the mitered foot at 45 degrees and place it into position, making sure to check the size. Remove the wax paper from the floor and keep it tight to the flooring while pressing down. Remove the wax paper from the wall and press into position, and repeat the process for the second side. You may need to retrim the foot of both inside and outside corners. Next, using 70% isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth, clean the area and allow to dry. Apply masking tape to each side of the floor seam and at the end of the external corners. Then apply painter's tape above the corners to protect the wall. For internal corners, you follow the same steps, cleaning with 70% isopropyl alcohol, allowing the area to dry, then applying masking tape to each side of the floor seam and at the end of the internal corners. Once again, to protect the wall, you should apply painter's tape above the corners. The corners are now ready for cold welding.